In this video, I am going to share some tips and tricks on Windows. Many of you may know about this, many of you may not know about this, but still I thought it may be helpful for some of you. So I have come up with this tips and tricks video. I request you to watch the video till the end. Hope you will find something new for you. Hello friends, welcome to my new channel RG's Computer Tips and Tricks. If you have not subscribed already, please subscribe to our channel, click on the bell button and select all to get all future notifications of our video uploads. So at first, I am going to say about virtual desktop. Now what is a virtual desktop? In our computer, what we see here, this is a desktop. Now suppose we have many tasks open at this taskbar and this is very congested. So what to do? Either we have to close some of the applications, open applications, or we have to shift them somewhere else. So for that, there is an option that is a virtual desktop. Now how to create that? First of all, we have to click on any empty area of the taskbar and then turn on this option, show task view button. Clicking on this will show a button here. We have to click on this button and then there is an option. I already have opened a new desktop. I'm closing it. So you can see an option of adding a new desktop here. It also shows the open tasks in the taskbar and we can open a new desktop. So a new desktop is opened and you see here is no task in this taskbar, but the applications that were open are already open in the previous taskbar here. Now if we go to the second desktop, we can open a new set of tasks here and we can run different set of applications here. So we can move between different tasks using this virtual desktop option. This is desktop 1. Different set of applications, you can see it's open here. And if we move to desktop 2, there are different set of options. Even we can add another desktop, then we can create different set of applications there like this. So whenever we are overcrowded with icons on the taskbar with open applications, we can create a virtual desktop and we can put some applications there. Now what happens if we close the virtual desktop? Like we have one desktop here, desktop 2 here, desktop 3 here. If we close desktop 3, all the icons, all the applications open on desktop 3 will come on desktop 2. You can see now on the taskbar, the open tasks are now on desktop 2. And if we close desktop 2, what happens? All the open applications come to desktop 1. So I am closing some applications to free up the taskbar. In this way, we can group our open applications. Now the second tip that I am going to share with you is how to open the Windows Task Manager. We all know about Windows Task Manager. It's an application that shows with all the open applications and Windows processes. If there is any process not responding or it has hung up, we can end it from here. We can end the task from here and we can see the performance of the Windows like hardware and software. So how to open the Task Manager? Usually what we do on the keyboard, we press Ctrl Alt Del and then the Task Manager options come. We click on the Task Manager and the Task Manager opens. In this way we open the Task Manager, but there are two other ways we can open the Task Manager. So the other way of opening the Task Manager is pressing the Ctrl Shift Escape on the keyboard. This will simply open the Task Manager. There is another way to open the Task Manager, that is we can right click on the Start menu and click on Task Manager. This will also open the Task Manager. So we have come up on 3 different ways to open the Task Manager. Use whatever is convenient to you. Now coming to the third tip or trick, that is drag to pin window. Like we have many applications open here in the taskbar, you can see. Now we want to keep one application open and preview the what other applications are open. So how to check that? We have to pin one application to the desktop. Like for this we want to keep the notepad open and preview what other applications are open. So we will drag it to the rightmost corner of the screen. This will pin this application to half portion of the screen like this, and in the other half the other applications which are open will show up. We can do it at the left side also and at the right side also. Now if we maximize, the pin will go away. Then the next option that we are going to see is show desktop button. Previously we have enabled the show task view button, so I am right now I am disabling this. And then there is the show desktop option. What is that? Say we have many windows open. Now we want to minimize all the open windows in a single go. So how to do that? Pressing the Windows D key on the keyboard will simply minimize all the open windows. And if we do not want to do it by pressing the keyboard buttons, there is a small button in the Windows taskbar that is at the bottommost right corner. Here is a simple button that toggles the windows either to maximize or to minimize all. If we click it once, all windows will minimize. If we click it here, all windows will maximize. So this is a show desktop button. We can click on this and all the open applications will minimize and we can see the desktop. The next option that we are going to see is very interesting. Windows 10 onwards has a feature of keeping one window open and minimize the others by shaking the window itself. Let's see how that works. Say we have this Google Chrome open, this one open, this one open, this one open, this one open. We want to keep the notepad open and minimize all the other windows. So how to do that? We will just click on the notepad window and shake it a little. So this window will remain open and other applications will minimize. Simply shaking it again will bring other windows back. So this is an interesting feature. You can practice it in your daily use of a computer. The next option that I am going to discuss is how to create a PDF file in Windows. In our day-to-day life, we have to send PDF of documents, PDF of PowerPoints, or PDF of simple text files. So how do we do that? For example, we have this image with us. We need to make a PDF of this image. Now how we will do that? We will simply go to print. We are doing it best fit to the page. And in the printer setup, we have to select a printer that is Microsoft Print to PDF. We have to select this printer. This is a default printer that comes with Windows. You need not to install any driver for it. So we have to select that and click on OK. Since my black and white printer was selected, it was showing black and white preview. Now everything is done. We have to click on print. It will ask for the PDF file name. We say it's a image. Now see, it's showing the type PDF. So we click on save and the PDF file will generate. Closing the image, you see the PDF is generated. A good quality PDF image is generated from the image file. So I have shown it with the image file, but this works with any file, any Word document, Excel document, any PowerPoint, or whatever you have file which is printable that can be converted to PDF. Now the next trick that I want to show is how to do screen capture without using any third-party software. For example, I want to record my activity on Google Chrome to a video. So for that I am opening the Google Chrome here. I am not keeping it full screen. I am keeping it in windowed mode so that I can show you like how it's captured. So having this window open and having this window in focus, just press the key Windows plus G on the keyboard. This opens a dialog box like this, and here is a take screenshot option and here is start recording option. And if this option is not showing, on this tab you have to select the capture button. Just click on the capture button and this window will appear. So let's see what happens after we capture the video using this. So I'm clicking on the start recording. Recording started. I'll record the activities on my Google Chrome. So say I am opening Microsoft.com. So this Microsoft site has opened. I am scrolling it a little. I'm opening another site, say Instagram.com. So Instagram has opened. Okay, so I'm just stopping it now. It shows a game clip recorded. This application treats all the window as a game. So now let's see where it has saved. I am closing these tabs. Okay, minimizing it, and it is saved under the videos folder. In the videos folder there is a capture option, and this is the video. See, I have opened Microsoft. I have opened Instagram. So this is it. In this way we can capture any window or any activity. Now I will show you how you can maximize any window. Obviously you will say that we will click on the maximize button and the window will maximize. Definitely that is one process, but I will show you some more ways to maximize a window. So what is that? First is, the window is open, we can simply drag it to the top of the screen and release the mouse. This will maximize. It is one way. Like this, simply we will click on this, take it to the top of the screen and release the mouse button. It will maximize. The second way is we can press the Windows key on the keyboard and then up arrow. So this will maximize. Like this, Windows and up arrow, this will maximize. And one more way is pressing the Alt space on the keyboard and then the X button. This will also maximize the application on the desktop. So now you know 4 ways of maximizing a window which is not maximized. So minimizing this. Now we will learn about some keyboard shortcut you may not be aware of that will really help you in your daily workflow. So the first one is we all use Alt plus Tab on the keyboard that navigates through the open windows on the desktop, but we can get a little advanced task viewer by pressing Windows and Tab key on the keyboard. This is the same thing that we have got by clicking on the task view button here. Besides of showing the open task currently, it also shows previously opened applications that we opened some earlier time. Like showing earlier today we have used these applications. Yesterday we opened these applications. On 9th November we opened these applications. So with this we can also view our Windows activity history. Pressing escape will close this. Now the second shortcut that I am going to discuss is Windows Control and D. What happens if we press Windows Control and D? It opens a new virtual desktop. You see all the open task icons are gone now. These are stored in the desktop 1, and you see a new desktop is created, desktop 2. All the previous applications are in the desktop 1. So a new desktop is created by Windows Control and D. Here is the new desktop. Now how to navigate easily from one desktop, one virtual desktop to another desktop? That is, simply press Windows Control and left arrow. This will bring you to the previous desktop, and pressing the Windows Control plus right arrow will bring you to the next desktop. By this way you need not to press the Windows tab and click on the mouse. And there is also a shortcut to close the virtual desktop, and we can close it by Windows Control F4. This will close the virtual desktop. So these few tricks I wanted to share with you. Maybe some more new tricks will come in our future videos, but please tell me in the comments that how do you like the tips and tricks I shared today with you. And last but not the least, I want to share one special thing, one special Windows trick to you, that is the God mode in Windows. Those who play games in computer must be aware of the God mode. There we have unlimited life, unlimited weapons, unlimited ammunitions, or unlimited facilities. So in Windows also there is a God mode. For creating the God mode, what we have to do, we have to create a new folder like this and paste this text on the folder. I'll give this text in the description section of the video, so you can copy it from there. So paste the text and press enter on the keyboard. You see the icon of the folder has changed. Now what is inside this folder I am not going to show you. You have to create it yourself and you have to check it yourself. Don't worry, it's not going to harm your computer, but please let me know what you see and what you experienced in this God mode. So today up to this, we will meet again in a new video. If any of the trick is of any help to you, let me know that in the comments. Very soon I'll meet you with a new video. Till then, bye bye, take care. Thank you for watching. Have a nice time.